What is up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel and I would love it if you would subscribe. In today's video, I thought I would do a Pinterest inspired day in my life. I saw a few people doing this on YouTube and I thought it looked like so much fun, and I thought, why don't I do that? So we have a very fun day ahead of us. This morning I woke up early around 7:30 and got ready, which I don't need to show you guys me getting ready. I've shown it so many times in the last few months. So if you guys want to get like a full morning routine, I'll have that link down below for you guys. It's the same every single morning. I got ready and I'm running a few errands this morning that are not part of this video, but at the same time I feel like being productive really early in the morning is so Pinterest, so I guess it kind of works out, right? But the errands are just like not part of this video, but me running the errands are relevant to this video, if that makes any sense. Anyways, I just thought I would intro this video right now. It is almost 9 and I'm gonna go do my first errand, and then we're gonna go back home and we're gonna have such a fun day. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. Let's get right into this video. Okay, first errand is done, and actually it's my only errand. I don't have any other errands, and honestly you guys, it is so hot. Like, I think I'm gonna take my puffer vest off. Oh my god, like it's literally November, like I don't even know, like 5th or 6th, and it is so hot outside. It's supposed to be in the 20s today. Like, that is just crazy to me. Like, it is so hot and I'm like, I want to put my Christmas tree up, but you're giving me like summer / spring weather. Like, what is going on? Done my first errand. I'm gonna put my Taylor Swift playlist on and we're gonna head back home and eat breakfast because I'm starving. And I got some English muffins to make some English muffins this morning for breakfast, and I think that's gonna be so good with like some bacon, some cheese, and egg. Like, yum, that's gonna be so good. We're back home and we're making McMuffins for breakfast. I keep seeing Maggie McDonald making these for breakfast and I just really wanted some, so we're making McMuffins for breakfast with bacon, egg, cheese, and a little bit of butter. I think it's gonna be so good. Okay, I'm in my bedroom. I miscalculated my time this morning and I need to eat in my bedroom while I get ready. I'm actually going for some hot yoga this morning with a few friends and I think it's gonna be so much fun. It's the first time I'm ever doing yoga, and then it's hot yoga, so it's like my first time ever doing that. So I'm a little bit stressed, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So in true Pinterest fashion, I'm going to put on a very cute outfit to go do my workout / yoga session. I think it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. So I'm gonna get ready. I'll show you guys my outfit once I'm dressed. Okay, this is the hot yoga outfit. So we're doing sports bra, this orange one from Lululemon, my Lululemon Align leggings, and then I'm throwing this on just to like go to the studio because it's a little bit, like, it's not cold, but I just like having something to cover my shoulders. So this is the hot yoga outfit. What is up, you guys? I'm back from hot yoga and honestly, like, it was something. Like, it wasn't intense or anything. Like, it was like honestly very pleasant, but oh my god, like, I am disgusting. I need to go take a shower, so I'm gonna go shower and then Alex and I are gonna go out to a little cafe, eat like a yummy sandwich, grab a coffee, and just like enjoy each other's company. So I'm gonna go get ready to go out. I have to decide if I need to wash my hair or not. I'm like, I know it sounds gross, but I'm debating like not washing them because I washed them yesterday, so we'll see what I end up doing. Okay, I got ready, took a shower, didn't end up washing my hair, but I did take my flat iron out to like straighten my hair a little bit because it was looking kind of messy, but I don't know if this looks any better. Anyways, we're heading out for a little like lunch date. We're going for a little lunch date at a cafe. We're just gonna like grab coffees, sandwich, and talk. It's gonna be fun. Like, I'm really excited because it's like we're going out but we're not gonna be doing anything. It's just gonna be like very Pinterest worthy, which is very appropriate for this video. But let me show you guys my outfit. This is the outfit. I'm wearing this new top from Aritzia, which I'll show you guys the other things that I got. I got 3 things. This is one of them. It's the TNA ribbed crop long sleeve shirt and I'm obsessed. I love it. And then denim are from Abercrombie & Fitch, and I'm doing my Uggs. It is so hot outside, but I'm manifesting colder weather by putting my Uggs on. I think it looks cute. It ties in the outfit. Like, it goes with this outfit, and I don't have any other shoes that I can wear. So we're gonna go with the Uggs, and I have like a puffer vest that I'm gonna put over. Let me show you guys. All right, and we're throwing over the puffer vest just in case it does decide to get colder, which I doubt because it's supposed to be like 21 degrees today, but I'm manifesting cold weather in this puffer vest and my Uggs. All right, let's go. Okay, we're in the car, and I told Alex that the only appropriate thing that we can listen to since it is fall is Taylor Swift's new album. So I'm gonna put Taylor Swift's new album while we make our way to the little cafe. Okay, we just got our lunch. We got a, what is it? This one is roast beef.
The roast beef and
then turkey. Turkey club. And we're sharing. We're sharing the sandwich, and then it comes with little chips and salsa. And we've got lattes. Cheers.
Cold brews.
Cold brews, yeah, they're really good. If you guys saw my Boston vlog, the lattes taste like the cold brews taste like the lattes from Tate, which was really sweet, but really good. Anyways, we're gonna eat our sandwiches. We're really, really hungry, and we're gonna enjoy our little date. We just finished our little date. It was so much fun. Like, we were there for how long do you think? Like an hour and a half?
Yeah.
And the sandwiches were so good. With the little, honestly, the little chips and salsa.
It's like a little bonus.
It's really good. Like, honestly, chips and salsa are just so freaking good. And now we're headed to the grocery store. We're gonna do a healthy grocery run for the week, and I'm gonna do a little haul when we get back home of everything we got. And also, I did get some things from Aritzia yesterday that I need to show you guys. So I'll do a little Aritzia haul when we get home. You already saw my white top that I'm wearing, but I got a sweatsuit, and I need to show you guys because it is just so good. It is so cute, and I need to share. So, and like, I feel like nothing screams Pinterest more than a matching sweatsuit from Aritzia. So we're gonna go to the grocery store, do a little grocery run, and then head back home, and I'll do a grocery haul as well as a Aritzia haul for you guys. What is up, you guys? We're back home, and I'm gonna do our little grocery haul. Now, I've explained this in my, I think my last video, or like the one right before, but basically how I plan out my grocery, just because things are so expensive right now, like just too expensive. So I need to plan out so that I don't waste any money on things that I might end up throwing out, or like too much quantity, like too big portions, like that's what I mean. What I do is I plan out my dinners for the next week, and I go to the grocery store like once a week. It's right across the road from where I live, so I don't even like have to go and buy a car. I can walk, and if ever I forget something, then I can also just walk to go get it. While we were on our little date, we planned out our whole menu for the week to know what we wanted to eat and to see what we needed to buy for our dinners. So with that being said, let's get into this little grocery haul. I will say Alex and I are very like healthy eaters, like a balanced healthy, but we typically try to eat as healthy as possible. It's like the most important thing for us. We obviously like indulge and eat treats and all of that, but on a day-to-day basis we try to eat as healthy as possible. So this is like mostly a healthy grocery haul. Like, honestly, it's a balanced healthy grocery haul. That's how I'm gonna call it. So first things first, we got some pita breads. We're gonna make some shawarmas this week. They should be so good. A red onion for the shawarmas, cucumber also for the shawarmas, some celery. I've really been into making chicken noodle soup, and I need celery to make that chicken noodle soup. Some heavy cream. Next we got some bell peppers, some green onions, some bacon. Next we got some udon noodles. I made udon noodle stir fry in my last vlog, and it turned out so freaking good. And we're switching it up and putting bok choy in it. If you watch my last vlog, I used broccoli stems because I was using the rest of the broccoli for another recipe, so I used broccoli stems, but this time we're going to use bok choy, which I think is going to be really good as well. Some spaghettinis for tonight, and last but not least, carrots for my chicken noodle soup. And that was it for the grocery haul. We didn't get too many things, and I did go to Costco this morning and I got a few things. Like, most of it was like cleaning supplies and things for the cats and all of that. Like there honestly wasn't that much food in what we got, and like some of it was like milk and eggs, which we just always get, so like that's not a fun haul to do, but this was more of a fun haul for me. So like I know it looks very small, but we also have a lot of things in our apartment. We really are trying to use up like everything. We don't want to have things in the freezers for months on end and not eat them, so we're just trying to be very mindful and not wasteful of the food that we get. Like we want to make sure that we use up all the food in a good way and that we don't waste any. So that was my little haul. I took my tripod out and everything just to show you guys my Aritzia sweatsuit that I got. Now obviously I got this top right here from Aritzia, which you guys already saw. I love it. I think it's so comfy, it's so cute. It's a very casual like top, but it can easily be dressed up, which I really like. But yeah, the sweatsuit, you guys, I wasn't gonna order this. I was gonna wait until the clientele sale, but it was low on stock, so I decided to just get it, and I'm so happy I did. The color is amazing. Okay, so before I show you the color, I got the Cozy Mega Sweatpants in a size small in the color Heather Warm Taupe. Look at this. Look at this color. Like this color is perfection. It is so cute, so cozy, and I love a good like brownish tan color. Like I'm not strong on brown, like a dark brown. I know like that color is so trendy since last year, but I don't know, I can't bring myself to buy a brown like sweatsuit or shirt or anything like that. But this, take my money. Aritzia, take my money, because these are so cute. I love them. They're so comfortable on. And I got the matching zip up in a size medium. This is the Cozy Perfect Zip in Heather Warm Taupe, and it's just like stunning. It is so cute, stunning, gorgeous, beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed. And yeah, that's my little sweatsuit situation. Let me throw it on and show you guys what it looks like. I'm most likely gonna stay in this for the rest of the evening, so okay, these are the joggers. I feel like they fit really well, but they look really puffy and oversized, and I really like that. And this is where they hit on my ankle. Like they're pretty short on my ankle, like they get right to my ankle, so maybe, like I said, just keep that in mind when you order them. Also, I'm sorry about the ankle. I'm not able to find like a good angle to show you these joggers in, and yes, the tags are still on. I need to take them off. But yeah, these are the joggers. Super cute. And then with the matching zip up, it just looks so cute and cozy, and I love a good matching set. Like I'm a sucker for a good matching set. And this color is just everything. Like I am literally obsessed with this color. I think it is so cute. And it's also me. Like if I were a color, it would either be this or like an off-white color. So I just love this. I think it's so cute. Okay, it's a little bit later and we're going to start prepping our carbonara. Also, I'm so sorry, like I had to open the light. It is so dark in the apartment already, and it's like 5:30, so I look kind of orange because of the light, but I wanted to bring you guys along because we're gonna start making our carbonara, and I think it's gonna be so good, and I'm so excited to eat. So let me grab the recipe and read you off the ingredients. Also, I'm so sorry, my hair is like everywhere. I was just like laying down on the couch. My hair looks crazy. I'll have the recipe linked down below for you guys, but basically here are the ingredients. 8 slices of bacon, 4 green onions, 2 eggs, half a cup of 35% heavy cream, a cup of Parmesan, and 3/4 pounds of spaghettinis. And that's it. Such an easy recipe, and we add a bit of like black pepper in it because I like the little taste of the black pepper. So I'm gonna get my ingredients out and we're gonna start cooking the bacon because that's what's gonna take the longest. All right, so I didn't show you guys all the other steps, but I'll have the recipe linked down below, so if you guys want to see the other steps, check out the recipe. It's really easy, and there's not a lot of ingredients. I've already read off the ingredients for you guys, but this is what it looks like finished. And we ended up doubling the recipe because last time we really didn't have a lot, so we doubled the recipe. So there is a lot, but if we have like leftovers, that's never a bad thing, right? Take a look at this. And someone on TikTok suggested that I put pasta water in the sauce, which is the heavy cream, the cheese, and the egg. And at first I didn't think it did anything, but it did. I did leave, like, I let the sauce cool down a little bit because I didn't want it to make chunks while I was putting it into, or like the water. I let the water cool down and then I put it in because I didn't want it to make chunks. But I do think overall it did make a difference. Like, not a, well, no, a big difference, because like there's not really any chunks.
It's not chunky at all.
Egg, you know, but no, it looks really, really good. So very happy with how this turned out. All right, dinner is served. We've got Harry Potter on and our sweats. We're both wearing sweats. And we're ready to have a very cozy night in, date night type of night. Pinterest worthy date night. That's what we're having. So we're gonna eat and we're gonna do our face masks next. Okay, I've got you guys on a makeshift tripod that is not legit at all. But we're in the bathroom now because we're going to be doing a face mask. Also, I changed because I was so hot, so I put an oversized tee. I'm literally wearing shorts right now because it is so hot in the apartment. So tonight we're going to be doing the Caudalie face mask, the instant detox mask, the instant detox mask that tightens pores, removes excess oil, purifying clay, coffee, and grapes. Interesting. So we're gonna do this. I have this mask. I've had it for a while and I've repurchased it. I think it's amazing. So Alex and I are going to be doing this mask tonight. The first thing that I like to do is put some warm water on my face to open up my pores. And then I tap it dry and then I put the mask on. So let's do a face mask. Okay, I've got Alex here. My hair is tied up in a clip so I look kind of funny. And you have your normal man bun.
Tight.
You need to tie it better. And the next clip is going to be us with our face mask on. So see you in a sec. You can't even tell we have a mask on.
It doesn't even.
No, you can't do that. Don't do that with your forehead.
Oh.
You can't. No, don't. Don't do that with your forehead. There you go.
It looks like I have nothing on.
That's true. Anyways, we've got our little mask on. We're gonna let it dry for I think like 20 minutes. And then we're gonna come take it off. Our little own spa day. Or spa night.
Yeah. Something like that.
Okay, our face masks have been on for a while and it is very dry. Time to take it off. Alright, skincare is done. I took the mask off, did my whole skincare, brushed my teeth. I just feel like overall very fresh. Like obviously I just brushed my teeth, but my skin feels like cool and hydrated and I love it. I also put the Laneige lip mask on my lips, which just like makes the whole like glazed donut look with my whole skincare and then that on my lips. We're probably gonna watch Harry Potter a little bit, but honestly like we're not gonna go to bed too late. We're exhausted and we had people over last night, so we like went to bed really late and I didn't sleep in personally this morning. Alex did, but I didn't. And even though he did, we had such a hectic day. We had like back-to-back things all day and so we're probably just gonna go to bed really early. So I think I'm gonna end off this vlog right here. I don't know how long it is. I hope it's long enough. Regardless, it was really fun to film and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing.